Get ready to explore the groundbreaking inventions of 2024. From the futuristic Stratos 716 ParkAir and Volkswagen Hover Car to innovative tech like the Cionic Neural Sleeve and Autowise Platforma X, we're diving into the future of mobility and design. Witness how these cutting-edge creations are reshaping the world. Himo H1 Mini E-Bike. The Himo H1 Mini E-Bike is a compact and ultra-portable solution for modern travel. When folded, it measures just 18 x 12 x 9 inches, roughly the size of an A3 sheet of paper. This incredible folding capability makes it easy to store in tight spaces. You can keep it in your apartment, tuck it into the trunk of your car, or even carry it onto public transportation. Despite its small size, the Himo H1 doesn't compromise on functionality. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while remaining easy to handle. This mini e-bike is perfect for navigating urban environments with ease. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, the Himo H1 offers a reliable and efficient mode of transport. It's designed for maximum portability, giving you the freedom to travel without the bulk of a traditional e-bike. The Himo H1 Mini E-Bike redefines convenience, making it the ideal choice for modern travelers. Hygroscopic Transport. Hygroscopic Transport brings a groundbreaking approach to moving trains. Imagine trains that don't rely on traditional rails. Instead, they glide smoothly on a cushion of air. The key to this system is the innovative wheels. These wheels absorb moisture from the air and create a thin layer of water vapor between themselves and the track. This eliminates friction, allowing the trains to move effortlessly. This technology could enable high-speed trains to travel quickly and quietly across landscapes. It's not only faster but also more flexible than conventional rail systems. While still in development, hygroscopic transport has the potential to transform travel. With promises of speed, efficiency, and eco-friendliness, this new concept offers an exciting look into the future of transportation. Autowise Platforma X. The Autowise Platforma X is an innovative autonomous sanitation vehicle designed to transform urban cleaning operations. This advanced machine runs on the self-developed Arbord X autonomous driving platform. It can operate entirely without human intervention, making it a game-changer in the field of urban sanitation. The Platforma X is multifunctional. It can autonomously perform tasks like charging, water refilling, and garbage disposal. These capabilities create a seamless, closed-loop system for efficient sanitation operations. Designed for precision and efficiency, this vehicle ensures cities can maintain cleanliness with minimal effort. The Autowise Platforma X represents the future of urban waste management, setting new standards for smart and sustainable city maintenance. Bubble Tent. The luxurious way to experience nature. Welcome to the Bubble Tent, a unique take on glamping that lets you enjoy the outdoors in style and comfort. These transparent, inflatable tents offer a 360-degree view of the landscape around you. They're perfect for stargazing at night or spotting wildlife during the day. While you stay cozy and protected inside, you still feel completely immersed in nature. Locations and popularity. Bubble tents are gaining popularity all around the world, with iconic locations in Australia, Iceland, France, and the United States. Set up in stunning remote spots like mountain ranges, deserts, and forests, these tents provide a serene escape from the hustle of city life. Features and amenities. Today's bubble tents come with impressive amenities. Many have comfortable beds, climate control, private bathrooms, and sometimes even hot tubs. With eco-friendly materials and designs, they focus on sustainability to minimize environmental impact. Safety and durability. Made from advanced, weather-resistant materials, bubble tents are designed to withstand different climates while keeping you safe and comfortable. With a bubble tent, you experience the best of camping and comfort. If you're seeking an unforgettable escape into nature, a bubble tent offers a luxurious way to do it. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a luxurious tiny home that redefines small space living. It combines high-quality craftsmanship with modern style, comfort, and functionality. Step inside, and you'll notice the spacious, open layout. Large windows fill the home with natural light, making the space feel bright and inviting. The kitchen is beautifully designed and equipped with premium appliances. It's perfect for preparing meals without compromising on style or convenience. The cozy living area is thoughtfully arranged, providing the perfect space to relax and unwind. Every detail is designed to make you feel at home. The interior features fine touches like hardwood floors and custom cabinetry, adding elegance and charm. Meanwhile, the exterior showcases a rustic yet refined finish that blends perfectly with nature. The Timbercraft Big Sky is ideal for those who love the idea of tiny living but don't want to sacrifice luxury. It's a true standout in the world of tiny homes. Seapod. Imagine living in a futuristic home, floating above the ocean waves. That's what the Seapod offers, a unique, minimalistic dwelling suspended 8 feet above water. The 830 square foot living space has everything you need for comfort. It includes a primary bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and ample storage. This compact yet functional home is designed across 3 levels, maximizing space and utility. But what sets the Seapod apart is its integration of modern technology. Using a wearable smart ring, you can easily summon drones and automated vehicles to deliver food and other essentials. Seapods start at $295,000 and can cost up to $1.5 million, depending on customization and features. According to Grant Romont, CEO of Ocean Builders, the demand for coastal living is rising. He states that thousands of people every day are moving closer to the top 15 major metropolitan cities near coastlines. This trend is expected to grow, making innovations like the Seapod even more relevant. The Seapod is not just a home. It's a glimpse into the future of sustainable, ocean-friendly living. Blanc Robot. The Blanc Robot is an advanced robotic system designed to redefine automation and artificial intelligence. With its sleek, modular design, this innovative robot is built for versatility and precision. Blanc Robot integrates cutting-edge technology to handle a wide range of tasks. From complex industrial operations to personal assistance, it adapts seamlessly to different needs. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI-driven algorithms, the robot performs with remarkable precision and adaptability. This makes it suitable for manufacturing, research, and even everyday tasks. Its design emphasizes both efficiency and innovation. It's not only functional but also user-friendly, catering to professionals and individuals alike. Although still under development, the Blanc Robot has the potential to revolutionize industries like transportation and logistics. It's a glimpse into the future of robotics and automation. The Blanc Robot is more than a machine. It's a breakthrough in how technology integrates into our lives. Cionic Neural Sleeve. The Cionic Neural Sleeve is a revolutionary wearable device designed to assist individuals with mobility challenges. It uses advanced neurostimulation technology to transform how people move. This innovative sleeve analyzes movement patterns in real time. It delivers electrical stimulation to the muscles, helping improve gait and leg function. The neural sleeve is especially beneficial for those with conditions like multiple sclerosis, stroke, cerebral palsy, or spinal cord injuries. Lightweight and flexible, it's designed for everyday use. Its comfortable fit ensures users can wear it all day while benefiting from personalized muscle activation. By combining data analysis, artificial intelligence, and functional electrical stimulation, FEs, the device enhances mobility. It helps users walk more naturally and regain independence. The Cionic Neural Sleeve empowers individuals to take control of their movement and live life with greater freedom. Furo Ily, AE Mobility. Let's start with a unique mode of transport, the Furo Ily from Furo Robotics. This compact electric vehicle is a clever blend of a scooter and a small trike. The Ily is designed for convenience and stability. Its battery technology provides a solid range, making it suitable for daily commutes or quick errands. Controlling the Ily is simple and intuitive. Its responsive handling ensures that riders of all skill levels can enjoy a smooth and confident ride. The vehicle is equipped with practical features, including integrated lights for visibility and a reliable braking system. Stability controls add an extra layer of safety, ensuring a secure ride every time. The Furo Ily is an innovative solution for modern urban mobility. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for navigating city streets with ease. MBS Electric E-Skateboard. The MBS Electric E-Skateboard is making waves in the world of all-terrain riding. With a powerful motor, it can reach speeds up to 41 miles per hour, making it the perfect ride for thrill seekers. The board features a high-voltage system running at 75.6 volts. This optimizes power delivery, ensuring less energy loss and more efficient performance. For smooth and precise handling, the MBS Agent is equipped with advanced Matrix 3 CNC trucks. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising rugged trails, this skateboard provides the stability and control you need. Designed for adventure, the MBS Electric E-Skateboard is built to handle any terrain with ease. You can even customize your own agent, starting at $1,899. In the world of electric skateboards, the MBS Agent stands out as a true performance powerhouse. Sherp UGV E-ATV. The Sherp UGV E-ATV is a revolutionary electric all-terrain vehicle built for the toughest conditions. Its amphibious design allows it to navigate both land and water with ease. This makes it perfect for tasks like search and rescue, firefighting, and logistics in remote or hard-to-reach areas. A standout feature of the Sherp is its pneumatic circulation suspension. This ensures smooth movement across challenging terrains, including marshes and deep snow. It's equipped with low-pressure tires that can conquer obstacles up to 1 meter high, making it unstoppable in extreme environments. Another impressive feature is its remote operation capability. The Sherp can be controlled from up to 10 kilometers away, providing unmatched utility in dangerous situations. The Sherp UGV E-ATV combines innovation and ruggedness, setting a new standard for all-terrain vehicles. Stratos 716 ParkAir. The Stratos 716 ParkAir is a sleek and innovative personal jet designed to redefine private aviation. It combines high performance with luxurious comfort, making it stand out in the world of modern travel. This jet can seat up to 6 passengers, offering a spacious and elegant cabin. Every detail inside is crafted to balance functionality and comfort, creating a premium flying experience. The ParkAir is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney engine. This ensures impressive speed and range, perfect for both business trips and leisure adventures. Its advanced avionics system provides seamless navigation and top-notch safety features. Whether you're piloting or being flown, the journey feels effortless and secure. The lightweight, aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency, allowing you to travel further while using less fuel. This is not only practical but also eco-friendly. The Stratos 716 ParkAir is a masterpiece of modern engineering. It's designed for those who value performance, luxury, and innovation in the skies. Volkswagen Hover Car. Volkswagen's People's Car project was created to understand what customers want in car design, especially in China. Over 1.19 million ideas were submitted by consumers. One of the most exciting ideas was the Volkswagen Hover Car. This two-seater car hovers above the road using electromagnetic road networks. It's designed to be energy efficient and can easily navigate through heavy traffic. Due to its compact size, it's perfect for finding parking in tight spaces. The car has 2 driving modes. In the first mode, the driver is in control. In the second mode, the car drives itself, using sensors and the network for autonomous navigation. The Hover Car was presented at the 2012 Beijing Motor Show as part of Volkswagen's strategy to develop cars based on Chinese customer feedback. With advancements in electromagnetic technology and self-driving features, this concept could revolutionize transportation in the future. Vision EQ Silver Aero. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Aero is a tribute to the brand's rich racing history. Inspired by the legendary W125, which dominated the 1937 Grand Prix, this concept car embodies the idea of progressive luxury. Its design merges classic elements with cutting-edge technology. The body is made of sleek carbon fiber and painted in bright silver, a nod to the original silver arrows, which famously ditched white paint to reduce weight. A glowing light strip and EQ lettering enhance its side skirts, highlighting its streamlined profile. Inside, saddle brown leather, polished aluminum, and dark wood pinstripes create a blend of nostalgia and modernity. The car features a panoramic screen that projects a 3D view of the surroundings, adding to its futuristic appeal. Powered by an 80 kWh battery and a 550 kW motor, the Vision EQ Silver Arrow delivers an impressive range of over 400 kilometers. Despite being designed for just one passenger, it showcases Mercedes-Benz's vision for the future of electric vehicles. Terra Glide, a revolutionary electric recumbent tricycle. The Terra Glide is an innovative electric recumbent tricycle designed by AJ Protec, offering a fresh way to enjoy cycling. Its steer-by-wire technology makes handling smooth and effortless, while the pedal generator allows you to get exercise without putting in a lot of physical effort. Completely electric, the Terra Glide ensures a quiet, efficient, and comfortable ride, making it perfect for both leisurely outings and more active adventures. What makes the Terra Glide stand out is its commitment to sustainability. By running on clean energy, it helps reduce your carbon footprint while still offering a fun and engaging ride. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, it combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it ideal for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're new to cycling or a seasoned rider, the Terra Glide is set to change the way we think about biking, offering a sustainable, practical, and enjoyable alternative for everyone.